Hey everybody, glad you came back for another video. Today we're going to go ahead and do a tabletop review of the Walther PPS BB gun, and then we're going to go out and do some plinking, go have some fun. The sun decided to come out today, so that's kind of nice. Anyway, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe if you want to see me do more videos. Helps my channel and it's free. Let's go, let's get to it. Okay, so this is the Walther PPS, and we're gonna talk about it a little bit. We're gonna put in one of these 12-gram cartridges, and then we'll go ahead, load up the mag with some steel BBs. These are 177 BBs 4.5. So we're going to show you how to do that here. It's pretty easy. Nice gun. PPS, pretty well branded. Not sure if I like the white writing on this side. All right, another look at the gun. So here's how you take your mag out. And this is how you put your cartridge in. Everything's pretty self-explanatory. So you unscrew from the bottom, which is right here. This one's been in there. I forgot it was in there, so we're going to take this one out and put a new one in, I guess. We'll show you. It has a little tool right here. Yep, that was almost all out. Okay. That's how you remove it. Falls right out. Now you should have a little lube, BB gun oil lube, to put right on top there. I forgot to bring it today. Usually I put it on top. It makes the seal a little bit better. But you insert that there. And you tighten this up. I'm not going to pierce it. I'm just going to tighten it up. Don't know when I'm going to shoot this, so I don't want to go ahead and... So that's how you do there. And you put this back in. Okay, so now that's your gun. Now this, I have them both loaded. This is your mag. It's a stick mag, as opposed to the two guns I reviewed before this, the Beretta and the SIG. They both had full mags where you put the container, the air cartridge, inside the mag and then it gets inserted. This one's in the handle of the gun. Good and bad. I kind of like it like that. It's easy to go ahead, and if you have any kind of problems with a seal or something, it's easy to take apart. But on the other hand, this one's in, all you do is fill up. You can have multiple mags like I do. Have multiple mags, and very easy to insert. There you go. It's ready to go. And then you have your safety right here in the trigger. Sights. Very nice little gun. I like this gun so much I may go out and buy the real version of it. But this is what we're going to be shooting today. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed that tabletop review. Let's get going. Let's get out there and shoot this BB gun and see what we can do. Come on. I packed a bunch of these 7-ounce pop cans in my backpack to take with us. Anticipated that we'd find some places that we could go ahead and shoot these things. You know, these things are a lot of fun to shoot. Watch them blow up when these BBs hit them. And now for a little different angle of when the BB actually hits these cans. It's kind of interesting to see them this way. Now to finish this tough guy off. There he goes. And now is her turn. Go ahead and have a little bit of fun. She's pretty good. She don't miss too much. Took those cans out real easy. And a close-up of her quick work of these cans. 1, 2, 3, and they were all gone. Okay. Now the Walther PPS is a blowback pistol, so I just thought I'd show you a little bit of the blowback action here. And I found another spot here and had a few more cans of pop, so we set them up and shot them down.
Open, see? That's a heart.
So this is the close-up of me shooting at the 7-ounce pop cans. You can see how they just disintegrate when the BB hits them. Of course, I shook the cans up before I went ahead and set them down. So now we're going to go ahead and swap. It's not fair for me to have all the fun, and she loves to shoot these cans. So we'll go ahead and give her her chance. Man, she makes these cans just dance around. Again. Good. Good.
Never do wrong.
Now a close-up with old Deadeye shooting. 1 shot, 2 shots, she's got them down both real quick. There's one. Here comes the next one. And there they go. Shoot it.
Yes.
All right, and go. Do the top left.
Yes.
I love the sound of this BB gun. It's not too loud and it's not too quiet. It lets you know when you're shooting, but it's not distracting. It was my turn now, and I made quick work of this 7-Up pop can. Watch it just disintegrate.
Oh! Wow!
So this is my first round at shooting the targets. I'm shooting the upper right hand. A little bit I'll shoot the lower right hand after she has her shot. Okay. So there's my can. Exploded that. Nothing left. And that's my target upper right. Not too bad of a grouping. Now this is the bottom right target we're shooting. Not to mention that we've probably already put about 70 BBs through, so it still has some good power. And that's it. So that was the Walther PPS. Take out in the woods and do a little bit of shooting with that. First we shot some pop cans and then we shot some targets. I'll go check out the targets again. Once again, hers was top left and bottom left. Mine was top right and bottom right. And it was off a little bit to the left. It could have been the angle I was shooting at. Anyway, fun day shooting out in the woods here. This was our last little bit of target practice before heading on out.
Wow. So
There's
much.
enough BBs shot for today. Had a great time.
Yeah, good.
That was it. All right. So that was actually about 30, 60, about almost 70 shots here with the same 12 gram CO2. Plus we shot the cans, so close to 100 shots. This thing still has some power to it with 100 shots. Nice gun. Only complaint is I'm not totally fond of the trigger. It's a good trigger, but it's a bit ratchety. So that'll about wrap it up for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, come on back and see me again. I'll be doing more videos. Drop a comment on the bottom if you want to see me do anything different. Anyway, take care.